What's up guys, it's Echo from Homebrew. I'm just doing a quick video on how to strip down and reassemble the Nukatap taps. I had a problem with mine recently where the springs weren't working properly and it was all a bit sticky. So you get it off your kegerator using the tool that comes with it. I'm not going to sell your intelligence, I'm sure you know how to do that. Take your tap handle off. You find this collar here, screws off. And this one here also does. Don't forget to take your spout off as well. So at the moment you're left with that piece pops out. What you see is a black washer there, and then a red washer. It's cup shape that fits over that bowl. I noticed that on mine it was actually broken, so I'm going to replace mine while I'm here. See, that one's knackered. There is also another one of those red cups, the other part of it, in the top of the tap here. It doesn't want to come out. You notice there, you got the torpedo thing that sits in there as well. When it goes back in, it goes flat side to the top of the tap. I use a knife to get this little seal out, probably not the best thing in the world, but it works. Pop that one out. And then lastly, there's two seals, a black one in the back here and a little black one in there. We'll pop them out. So that's it, completely stripped down. Obviously, in terms of cleaning it, I use sodium bicarbonate. I just let it soak in there. It ended up being overnight. That cleaned it up nicely. And then putting it back together, I would strongly advise using a bit of food safe lube. It will make it a lot smoother and it will make it work a lot better. So, in terms of putting it back together, a little bit of lube on each one. Put the big seal back in the back. And go with the little seal. It goes in the front of the tap. Pop that in. So your red seal, again, it's difficult to show you on the camera, but it's cut to fit the ball in, so make sure that goes in the right way. So that one's going to sit with the flat side downwards in the top of the tap. Put your little torpedo thing in. Again, make sure the raised side is upwards, so that slots in there. I'm going to take this apart quickly. You don't actually need to split these up, but it's to refit the new seal. So that the cup side will go on top of the ball. Followed by the black one on top of there. Give the whole lot a bit of lube. And then that slots into the groove there. Once that's all on, it's just a case of screwing it back together. So your collar back on. It's not sliding in very well. Once that's on, a bit back on. And then lastly your tap handle. And then your spout. And that is it, ready to be fitted back to your kegerator. Obviously if you've got the return springs, the smaller end goes into the tap, but it'll only fit one way. Yeah, hopefully that helps somebody. If you enjoyed that, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.